If you're seeing a Pixlr login error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get signed in again without wasting time. We'll start with the simplest test first, then move through browser data, cookie settings, sign-in providers, and a few final fallbacks that solve most login issues. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we want to isolate the browser. Open a new Incognito window in your browser and go to the Pixlr login page. Now try signing in again. This is a really important test because if Pixlr works in incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser is blocking the login process. It could be a browser extension, corrupted local data, or a cached authentication token that's causing the problem. Incognito mode gives you a clean starting point, so it helps you quickly narrow down what's actually broken. If the login works in incognito, the next step is to clear corrupted site data for Pixlr. Go back to your regular browser window and visit Pixlr again. While you're on the site, click the menu button on the left side of your browser's address bar. From there, look for cookies and site data. Open that section and clear the data for Pixlr specifically. This removes the cookies and cache related to Pixlr without wiping your entire browser history or deleting everything from every website. That's the safest way to refresh just the broken login files. After clearing the site data, relaunch your browser and try signing in again. Now let's check your cookie and adblocker settings, because these are some of the most common causes of Pixlr login errors. In your browser settings, make sure third-party cookies are allowed. If third-party cookies are blocked, sign-in providers like Google, Apple, and Facebook may not be able to pass their authentication tokens correctly. That can stop the login flow before it finishes. Next, turn off any ad blockers you have installed, such as uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or similar extensions. If you don't want to disable them completely, you can add Pixlr to the whitelist so the site is allowed to load normally. Also, check whether your browser is set to automatically clear cookies on exit. If that option is enabled, it can cause constant logouts every time you close the browser, which makes the problem feel like it keeps coming back again and again. If you're using a single sign-on method, the next step is to verify the login provider itself. For example, if you normally log into Pixlr with Google or Apple, open a separate tab and sign in to that provider first. Make sure your Google or Apple account is already authenticated in the browser. Then come back to Pixlr and click the same social sign-in button you used before. This helps because Pixlr relies on that provider session being available and properly connected. If the provider session is broken or signed out, Pixlr may fail even if the site itself is working fine. If you've tried all of that, and the Pixlr login error is still happening, move on to the final fallbacks. First, switch browsers. If you're using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If you're on Safari, try Chrome or another compatible browser. Sometimes the issue is browser specific, and changing browsers immediately fixes the authentication problem. If that still doesn't work, check Pixlr's server status. You can look at Downdetector to see whether other users are reporting login issues or whether Pixlr's authentication servers may be having an outage. If the servers are down, there may be nothing wrong on your side, and the only solution is to wait until the service comes back online. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Pixlr login error is to test incognito mode, clear Pixlr site data, check cookies and ad blocker settings, verify your Google or Apple login, and then switch browsers or check for an outage if needed. One of these steps usually solves the issue pretty quickly. If this tutorial helped you get back into Pixlr, please give this video a like, subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another login issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.